mat yan eh.
Boss, saan ako yan? Saan mo napulot yan, sir?
Diyan lang, natisod ko eh.
Ngayon, ba't
nakayatan
may kuskus ng ano?
Oo.
May kuskus ng ano?
Si Alex lang.
Si Alex lang?
Sir, bawal yan ha. Walang ICC.
Uy!
Bawal yan.
Sabi ko na eh.
Thank you, Alex. Alex Moreno.
Alex Gonzaga.
Alex Gonzaga.
Darwin, paano umikot sa harap?
May access sa gitna.
Again, this is Mr. Natanya Mubiano of KYT and Somi. He's the service guy for KYT and Somi. Yeah, he takes care of all their helmets.
MotoGP,
Yeah, for
Moto3 and
Oh, so the riders.
Moto Rider, MotoGP, Moto2 and Moto3.
We are at the KYT service bay for servicing helmets for riders for Moto2, Moto3, and MotoGP.
Oh, so service meaning lilinisan?
Yes, they clean the helmets
Damage.
of all the GP riders, replace helmets if it is damaged.
Boss, pansin ko may Sumi dito. Isa lang ba yan?
Yes, Sumi and KYT is under one company.
Oh, okay. So, ano yan? Nakapatong sa ano?
This is the helmet dryer. This is what he do every time, every GP.
So yan, ang ginagawa niya, sir.
He's cleaning the helmet of Alexis Espargaro, Team Aprilia.
So, anong model to, sir? Binibenta ba yan?
SRGP.
Binibenta yan, sir?
Yeah, soon.
Soon,
It's already available. By next month, magkakaroon na rin sa Philippines.
So, itong top of the line.
Yes.
Pag gusto ko maging tulad sa kanya, nabibili ko rin yan.
Of course.
Kasing flat visor din siya, no?
Yes.
Nakakabitan ng ng tear off. Sir Peter, anong special dyan sa SRGP?
Well, SRGP boasts of a new carbon technology, lower drag coefficient, wind tunnel tested, so it's absolutely aerodynamic. It's a new concept of a KYT and Sumi helmets.
Panoorin natin. Balik ng visor.
Here we get to see firsthand how to professionally service KYT helmets.
Ganda. Mga hindi nakakilala, sino ba yan si Espargaro?
Alexis Espargaro is a MotoGP rider under Team Aprilia Racing. His racing number is number 41.
Alexius Espargaro.
He's been with KYT since he was with Suzuki. First stint in MotoGP was with Suzuki X-Star.
So his design niya is one of the most
Yes, one of the most popular designs that we,
especially in our country.
especially in the Philippines, is the Espargaro replica. It's really a fast seller.
So it used to be yellow, blue, now it's color.
Yellow and pink.
It's
With gray matte.
Anong tawag dito, sir?
This is the tear off. Tear off is used to protect the lenses from getting dirty too much, especially on wet track condition. So usually one lens is equipped with around 3 tear offs, right? 3 tear offs that the rider can take off If it gets every time, 3 times, you can take off the care off.
Malinis ka agad.
Yes, so
I-squeegee nila.
yes, he gets clean visor each and every time. Fresh. Every time he takes off the tear off.
Ayan, may hose. Ayan. For hydration. Kaya kabit sa likod ng suit. Boss Michael, sa'yo yan.
Thanks, bro.
Sa'yo yan.
Yes.
Ang model yan.
Yes. KYT, Spargaroo, 41,
Yan.
Benong Open.
Sulit ba yung puto dito?
Sulit, bro.
May ganyan ba sa atin?
Wala pang ganito.
Magkakaroon ka ba yan?
Yes. Possible.
Possible.